na tayo sa ating champurado. So, magmumove on na naman tayo sa ating tea time. So, magpre-prepare tayo. Kasi yung oras dito is 10 to 4 na ng hapon. So, it's about there. It's about time, diba? Itong cabbage na to, sobrang dami niyang pasa bang tawag? Yung parang bruise ba niya? Marami siyang bruises. Itong cabbage na to, sobrang daming pinagdaanan siguro to ba? Kaya ayun, daming pasa. Ito na yung potato natin. Minamicrowave ko yung potato ko para mas madali. That's it. Just finish the potato in the oven para ma-crispy yung skin niya. At next naman, sa mushroom tayo. Hugasan ko lang yung mga mushroom. Then, hihiwain natin ng maliit. Kasi yung garlic mushroom ko, pina-fry ko lang siya at nag-i-sprinkle ako ng garlic powder. Can you smell the chocolate?
Chocolate.
You will, hopefully, you will like it.
You do realise, don't you?
What?
I don't like chocolate.
You do. You do like chocolate. You like
I don't like chocolate. This is why I'm so slim and, you know, handsome.
You like chocolate cake?
Chocolate cake. Chocolate rice. Don't like it. I can tell.
You don't like it?
No, I can tell. Yeah, of course I will. How much is serious?
It's a bad start if you don't like it. That's why I look very serious. So ito na, nahugasan ko na yung mga mushroom. So hihiwain ko lang sila ng maliliit. Tingnan nyo si Mr. Nandoon. Yan. Kasi sobrang daming dahon kasi, uy. No, he cannot hear me. He's enjoying doing it. And the dog is right there, Peepa. Where's PB? Oh, I bet PB is in her kennel again. Don't know. Ilalagay ko na yung pork natin. There you go. 5 minutes. Kasi malapit na kasi maluto yung mushroom natin. So, i-sprinklean ko lang siya ng garlic powder. Ito siya. Malapit na talaga maubos yung garlic ko ay garlic powder. Ito na yung plate namin. Ilalagay na namin dito. Nagbago yung isip namin kasi instead na ilalagay namin dyan, dito na lang. Doon.
The problem you've got is you bought such a large plate. So
I know. It's
Willie Miracle.
Willie. It's not Willie. It's William.
What's that, Willie? Okay.
Can you vlog, please, while I'm
How
cooking?
would you like this?
Oh, it looks so good, that is. That looks good.
This is our display. We decided to start collecting 1 or 2 items because we don't have much in this house because they want cleaning, but we can put them in there and they'll be okay. You see, it keeps the dust off them. But as you can see, that is a William Moorcroft plate. This is a William Moorcroft small vase, and that is a Clarish Cliff. Well, I've actually bought some more myself, and Mia has bought some too. So we're going to fill these up and put them in so they look nice and pretty. So there she blows. Okay. And there's Mia's best friend. There. See? She got him when she went to Loch Ness. Couldn't find the monster, so she bought the bull, the hairy cow. Hairy cow.
I'm busy.
Oh, she's busy. Right, I need to go, darling, because I've got the fire lit and you're being watched.
I'm being watched. Where can they see me?
Yeah, of course it is.
Nanonood ng neighbor si John. Boiled cabbage. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng kaunting butter and pepper. Garlic mushroom. Honey? Tea is ready. It looks good.
I hope it tastes as good as it looks.
Mmm.
I think it will. I'm sure. Thank you, darling.
You're welcome. Han!
Oh.
That's very bad. It's alright. So, ito na yung tea namin. So, kakain muna ako. Okay, bye muna. Bye!
The next day.
Good morning! Good morning mga palangga. Aalis tayo ngayon kasi meron akong appointment for my hair laser. I can't remember if this is my last appointment or I think I have one more appointment. I can't remember now. Yung appointment ko is 11 o'clock at yung oras dito is 10:30 in the morning. So, gutom ako ay mag-i-snack na lang ako. Meron tayong banana dito. Yan. Si Jen nandoon sa workshop. He is doing something with his Range Rover. I don't know kung ano talaga yung ginagawa niya, pero that's what he said to me. I hope hindi niya nakalimutan. Sinabihan mo siya kagabi niya. Meron akong appointment. Postman is here. Nasaan na ba yun si John? Saan na ba yun si Postman? We have few delivery today. Naririnig ko na si John. He's there. Nakikita niyo ba? Close na niya yung workshop door. May mga sign for. Nakikita ko. Oh my!
Christmas.
Christmas! Yes, it's Christmas, sweet. There's a lot.
Can you just grab this box?
Hang on. Do not drop. We got 4 boxes. We'll open that later, sweet.
Mine. So them two are mine.
We need to go now, sweetheart. Come on!
Already, what time is it?
11:45.
It's not 11:15.
Yes.
What are you giving that?
Yes. It's 10:40.
What about my phone in?
Huh?
Your phone there, is that?
Yes.
Your phone is?
Yeah.
Shush me on.
I don't like to be late. Me, I'll be late in my appointment. Never late. So, here's your car key.
Window's closed.
Oh, I don't know. Did you open any window today?
Only on vent.
I think it's closed. Jan said, it's not my fault if you have your dinner late. It's not late.
No way.
I'll be there for like 15 minutes
I'll be crying.
or less.
You're going, Papa, Papa.
I'm done. Tinanong ko sa kanya, ika-forced ko pa lang tong appointment. Akala ko ito na yung last. Hindi pala. So, I have 2 more appointments. Yes, please. Thank you.
Crap you giving you now?
Just a thingy.
Was that your last?
No, I really thought it's my last appointment. I still got 2 more appointments.
You tell me it doesn't work. Tell me like the money back.
Because last time kasi, I did not see a lot of hair fall out. So I feel like, okay. But then, we'll try. We'll just finish this session and I don't think so we'll book another session. Look at your face. Thank you.
Rubbish.
Thank you for waiting, Miss Sweet.
There's a shouting.
Thank you.
Okay.
You're such a good husband. Sometimes.
Remember. who's
Sometimes.
The fairest of them all.
We are home. Binigyan niya ako ng parang brochure. Is it brochure, do you call this? Meron kasi silang bagong ilalunch today para sa eyebrows. It says, ano ba to? Brows comes great responsibility. Hindi ko talaga alam to eh. Ano ba to? Basta about brows. Magla-lunch sila. But I'm not interested, sorry. Because I don't want to spend another money. My brows is perfectly fine. I'm happy with my brows. So anyway, kukunin ko lang yung tripod ko. Take some take some bread out. And then, mag-unbox tayo. I'll put you right here. Lalagay ko lang yung tripod ko ha. Sandali lang. Maghihintay tayo ni Mr. kasi John also got a package. So, yeah. I think 2 for John and 2 for me. Oh, diba? Right. John is eating his lunch now. And at the moment, I am waiting my spaghetti because I am having spaghetti bolognese for my lunch. And it's not ready. So, while we're waiting, we will unbox this.
You do your boxes, I'll do my boxes.
Okay, sir. So, we need to be very careful because it's quite clearly says it's fragile. I don't know which one. Where is the honey? Is this?
Well, you don't in the big long one, don't you?
What do you mean?
Well, you move up in the long one.
I don't know which is the bottom and the top in this box.
No.
I really don't know. Now we're talking.
Oh no.
Oh, there's a lot of polystyrene.
Here, darling, here.
A lot of them. Right, give me the box.
We'll just tip it in.
No! Oh my gosh!
Be careful. Right, now take that. What we've done, we've wrapped it in 2 pieces, eh?
Oh yeah. And there you go.
What's that there?
Just a cardboard.
Right.
Right, so this is the item. I'm so intrigued. So this is the lid, I think. I'm having trouble here. I'm trying to be very careful as possible because I don't want to get them broken. John is watching me. Oh my god, I can't believe how small it is, honey. It's getting there. We're getting there. Oh!
No.
It's so little. There you go. That's the lid. Oh my god, we need to be very careful. And this is the body of our preserve pot. There you go.
Be careful.
You need to show them. Can you show them, please? And you need to explain what it is because they might think, what is that? It is an antique. It is a Clarice cliff. And John said that, you know, if you are collecting a Clarice cliff, it could be a valuable things. Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Looks perfect, doesn't it?
Show them, please.
This is the farmhouse of Clarice Cliff. It's a beautiful little thing. Very, very rare. Very rare. It's like hen's teeth. There is none around.
Yeah, very little.
Right, this is going somewhere, so.
He's putting it now in our
You can arrange as and when they'll.
cabinet. Look. Oh. Yan. So we decided to collect things kasi instead of those, you know, this one, sobrang clutter kasi niya. May mga ano dyan, mga recipe book doon. So inalis namin and then we decided to collect things para naman may decoration yung bahay kasi wala talaga kaming decoration. Uy. So another one is... Oh, you need to help me with this hand.
I think that's the Moorcroft one. That is the earliest Moorcroft.
Oh, that's my pomegranate.
I thought this was going to be the Moorcroft.
Yeah, that's a Moorcroft.
No, but I mean the early Moorcroft, aren't they?
Well, this is early, but the other Moorcroft is more earliest. Yeah, my pomegranate, this is. So, this is a Moorcroft vase. It is a pomegranate pattern. Very good. Very good condition. Why are you smelling it? You need to show them.
I'm just checking first for any sign of damage. This is called pomegranate because that's pomegranates on the paintings. This is by William Moorcroft. This will be about 1930?
Yeah, 1930s.
1930 this was made. Look at it.
Let me have a feel.
Don't drop it.
Yeah, very nice. Put it. Where are we gonna put that? Ah, it doesn't really go well.
No, I can put all that in.
Yeah.
Oh, you saw the other one.
Yeah, we'll sort that later. We're just gonna open the other boxes. Right, John, you go there. See, tingnan nyo, yan. Yan, kailangan niyang itapon. Your turn.
This should be my jump up. Whatever it was called.
Well,
Was it a jump up?
I don't know. Well, let's just say preserve pot. It can be anything.
Well, preserve is jam anyway, isn't it?
Well, yeah.
Maybe preserve.
But you don't know if it could be I don't know. I really don't know.
Should be in two sections. There's one section.
One
There's two.
and two.
This should be melon.
Oh, that's nice. I like that one.
Perfect. Oh.
Ah, it looks okay.
That scratch there.
Well, it's quite clearly says in the description that there's like slight scratches. Ito siya. See, ito yung bottom ng Clarice Clef. Hindi siya na-focus ay. Can you try to tap the screen? Because it's not focusing on the... There. Yan. Fantastic. Oh, hindi talaga siya na... Yan. Nafo-focus siya. Ito yung takip niya. Yeah, it's
Right.
bunny that han.
Let's pop that back in up there and then
Yeah.
probably safe for time being, isn't it?
No, put that there. Yeah.
Okay.
Yay. There you go.
Now what else we got?
Another one.
Another two in there.
Two.
Pepper pot, salt pot.
Oh no, my spaghetti. We need to check my spaghetti. Malapit na siyang maluto. Hinaan ko lang yung apoy. Yan. There are two items in this box. Oh. Yeah. What? There's another box inside it. And then there will be another box inside it. His face. Yeah, there's another. Is it? Oh. After all, tingnan niyo yung kamay ko, ha? Ito. Oh my God, that's so funny. It's so little.
That's why it's not stamped, usually.
Oh dear. It is a Clarice Cliff.
Irish Cliff Pansy. It matches your.
Yeah, it matches the vase.
You said it had a little tiny bit of chip.
Come here.
There.
Ah. See, compared to the other item, that's the smallest. Oh my gosh, it tickles me, that one. I think it will be the same.
What was it?
Same struggle.
What was this one?
Oh, I don't know. Are you gonna complain, honey, that the packaging is not good enough?
Oh gosh.
Oh my god, I'm sorry. I just find it very funny.
This is like taking, well, he's making sure they arrive in one piece, isn't it?
I know. So, ito na. Nalubat kanina. So, ito yung lead, another item. So, ino-open na ni John. What is this again, honeybee? Like a
preserve pot, isn't it?
Oh my, so little. It looks big on eBay, but look at this. Yan, ito yung kamay ko ha. Yeah, sobrang liit niya.
Smaller than I thought.
Is this a joke?
Smaller than I thought.
And look at this, all the mess.
Yeah.
In this little thing right there. And the mess is just, oh gosh. But are you happy? Yeah, good. You're happy. They're all Clarice Cliff in there. Yeah, that's it. All Clarice in this
Which
bottom.
way do you have it?
Whatever. And this is all more craft here.
Yeah.
I really find this very pretty, Hanay.
What?
Very pretty.
Honey runner?
Yeah.